What's going on, baby? What's going on, baby? What is going on in the area? Okay, this is our new parcel. I told you guys the other time that we are expecting 2 parcels, okay? This one just came. Let's unbox. Let's unbox. Unbox it. Oh yeah, screenshot. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is my parcel from Shane. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. What is this box? Okay, let's first of all go for the boss. The boss and the bosses. Yay! The boss and the bosses. They just arrived in Guangguan, baby. They just arrived in Guangguan, baby. Wait, why am I tearing it? If it is not good, if I want to return it. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah. Lovely. Let's see what is inside this parcel. Wow, the way they package it is really amazing. My hair, second hair has arrived. This is glueless. Yeah, this is glueless. This is how you know glueless. Look at the hair, baby. This is the color that I choose, baby. I want to use it for my darling husband, baby. Baby, oh my God. Wow. Okay, this is inside. Okay, yeah. This one fell out of it. This one fell down. Yeah, I have to hook it here. Wow. I love the way they made it. Okay, let's try it. Look at the color. Yeah, this is the exact color that I ordered. Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. Oh God, yeah. I will slay. I will slay for my baby. I'm going to slay for my baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. What's good, baby? Ooh, I don't want to comb it. I don't want the coils to go off from it. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. What did you think? What did you think, guys? Alpha, area. This is beautiful. I really like it, and I like the hair. The quality is very, very nice. Wow. How do I look? Okay, Rihanna is here. I'm Rihanna. Oh yeah, take a screenshot. I'm Rihanna. Rihanna is here, baby. Rihanna is here, baby. I'm an African queen. Hey, girl of my dream. You make me mommy. Hey, you make my life tigga. I'm an African queen. Hey, this is beautiful. This is massive. I love it. Don't worry, we are coming back for the second video because we have all that in stone boss. Oh, thank you.